If you've ever struggled with manifesting what you want, this video is for you. Because the problem isn't that there's no path to the thing you want, the problem is that you psych yourself out in the process. So today, I'm going to show you how to manifest what you want super fast. Let's get into it. Step 1. Believe that you can have it. This might sound cliché, but it's the most important step. If you don't believe, without a shadow of a doubt, that it's possible for you, you're already blocking yourself. So before anything else, lock in that belief. Step 2. Brainstorm every possible way to get it. Grab a piece of paper, or just use your phone, and write down every single way you could get what you want. No judgment. Even if the idea seems crazy or unrealistic, write it down. Spend at least 20 minutes on this. Step 3. Identify the mental blocks. Next to each idea, write down why you think it won't work. Be honest, because these reasons are actually just excuses. Your brain psyching you out. Once you see that, you take away their power. Step 4. Rank your ideas intuitively. Look at your list and number the ideas based on what feels most likely to work. Trust your gut here. Step 5. Take action. Now, do the things on your list, one by one, until one works. Spoiler alert. The problem is never that there aren't enough options. The problem is that you don't really want to do them. You don't want to ask for the money you need. You don't want to do the hard things. You don't want to step outside your comfort zone. But if you want to manifest something fast, you have to. It's that simple. So, give this a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon!